Welcome to my maths class. 6th class mathematics, semester 2, 3rd chapter, data handling. In the previous video, we have discussed about the tally marks, pictograph, etc. And we have started solving the problems in exercise 9.1. Today we will continue those problems in exercise 9.1. So the next problem is fifth problem. The number of girl students in a co-educated middle school is depicted by the pictograph. This pictograph gives the number of girl students in a co-educated middle school. In first class there are so many girl students. In second class so many, like that. Here each picture of a girl represents 4 girls. Each picture represents 4 girls. Therefore, in first class there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 4, 24 girls. In first class there are 24 girls. In second class there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and a half. 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 2, 1 or 2 or 3. We can take any. So let us take 2 average. So 18 girl students were there, approximately 18. There may be 19 or 17. In third class there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 4, 20. 20 girls were there in third class. In fourth class again 3.5 figures were there. Each figure represents 4 girls. Therefore 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 1, 2 or 3. So we will take 2 in the middle approximately. It is correct even if we take 3. Therefore we can write it here from 13 to 16. 13 to 15. So next in 6th class there are 4 figures. 4 4s 16. In 7th class there are 3 figures. 3 4s 12. 12 girls in 7th class. In 8th class there were 1.5. Therefore 4 plus 1, 2 or 3. 4 plus, so it may be approximately 6. We can take 6 girls. There were approximately 5, 6 or 7, any number. So from this we can evaluate the answers for the questions. Observe this pictograph and answer the following questions. Which class has the minimum number of girl students? Which class has the minimum number of girl students? Here observe the pictograph. Here the minimum number of girl students are in 8th class because 1.5 pictures were there. Here 2.5. All other are more than 2. Therefore in 8th class there are minimum number of girl students. They are from 5 to 7 approximately. But this is the minimum number of girl students. Next question. Is the number of girls in 6th class less than the number of girls in 5th class? 6th class there are 16 girls. 5th class there are 12 plus something, only up to 15. Therefore 5th class students are less than the 6th class students. But the question is the number of girls in class 6 less than the number of girls in class 5? No. Number of girls in 6th class are more than the girls in class 5. Number of girls in class 6 are 16. They are less than the girls in 5th class. They are less than 13 to 15, less than 15. Therefore, they are less. 12. This is 12. The number of girls this is for 8 plus 2 we will take 2 or 3 approximately 10. So this girls, number of girls in 5th class are less than the number of girls in 6th class. But the number of girls in 6th class are greater than the number of girls in the 5th class. Next, how many girls are there in class 7? In class 7, how many girls are there? 12. 3 figures were there. Each figure represents 4 girls. Therefore, in 7th class, there were 12 girl students in that school. We will go to the... So, coming to the next problem, that is number 7. In a village, 6 fruit merchants sold the following number of fruit baskets in a particular season. In a village, 6 fruit merchants were there. They sold the following number of fruit baskets in a season. For example, Rahim sold 4 figures were given, but each figure is equal to 100 fruit baskets. Therefore, 4 into 100, 400 baskets. Rahim sold 400 baskets during that season. Next, Lakhanpal sold 5.5 figures were there. Each figure represents 100. Therefore, 550 fruit baskets. Next, Anwar sold 7 figures were there. 7 into 100, 700 fruit baskets. Anwar sold 700 fruit baskets in that season. Next, Martin sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5. 9 figures represent 900 fruit baskets, and the fraction represents 100, 1 to 100. But we take approximately 50. Therefore, Martin sold 950 fruit baskets. Next, Ranjit Singh sold 800 fruit baskets. Next, Joseph sold 400 and fraction, 450 fruit baskets. Therefore, we will answer the following questions from this pictograph. Look at the pictograph and answer these questions. Which merchant sold the maximum number of baskets? Which merchant sold the maximum number of fruit baskets? Here 950 is the maximum number. Therefore, this merchant, Martin, sold the maximum number of fruit baskets. By looking at the figure also we can tell there are large number of figures, maximum number of figures here. Therefore, the corresponding merchant, Martin, sold the large maximum number of fruit baskets in that season. Next, how many fruit baskets were sold by Anwar? Anwar sold 7 fruit baskets. Anwar sold 700. Anwar sold 700 fruit baskets. One picture is equal to 100 baskets. Therefore, 7 pictures were there. 700 fruit baskets. Next, the merchants who have sold 600 or more number of baskets are planning to buy a godown for the next season. Can you name them? The merchants who sold 600 or more are planning to buy a godown for the next season. So who are they? Who sold 600 and or more? 800, it is more than 600. Here also more than 600, it is also more than 600. These three merchants, Anwar, Martin and Ranjit, sold more than 600. It is less than 600, less than 600, and this is also less than 600. Therefore, Anwar, Martin and Ranjit are planning to buy a godown for the next season. So coming to the next problem, 6. The sale of electric bulbs on different days of a week is shown below. The sale of electric bulbs on different days of a week are shown below. So Monday to Sunday. Monday, the number of bulbs sold are given by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 figures. Let each figure represents 2 bulbs. Therefore, 6 into 2, 12 bulbs. So on Monday, 12 electric bulbs were sold. On Tuesday, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 figures were there. Each figure represents 2 bulbs. Therefore, 8 into 2, 16. On Tuesday, 16 bulbs were sold. On Wednesday, 4 into 2, 8 bulbs were sold. On Thursday, 5 into 2, 10 bulbs were sold. On Friday, 4 7 into 2, 14 bulbs were sold. On Saturday, 4 into 2, 8 bulbs were sold. On Sunday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 into 2, 18 bulbs were sold. So on different days of a week, different number of bulbs were sold. So from looking at the pictograph, we can answer some questions. There is number of figures here. Therefore, maximum number of bulbs were sold on Sunday. And this is the minimum, 4, and this is also. So minimum number of bulbs were sold on Wednesday and Saturday. Like that, we can answer some questions. How many bulbs were sold on Friday? Friday. How many bulbs were sold? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 figures given. Each figure represents 2. Therefore, 7 into 2, 14. 14 bulbs were sold on Friday. On which day was the maximum number of bulbs sold? Here on Sunday, the maximum number of bulbs were sold. On which days minimum number of bulbs were sold? On which days minimum number of bulbs were sold? Here this is the minimum number. Therefore, on Wednesday and Saturday, minimum number of bulbs were sold. Next question, if one big carton can hold 9 bulbs, big carton means a box, cardboard box. One carton can hold 9 bulbs. 9 bulbs. If a big carton can hold 9 bulbs, how many cartons were needed in the given week? The total number of bulbs sold here. How many cartons were needed? 9 bulbs, a big carton. So here we need 2 because 9 bulbs plus 3. So 2 cartons were needed here. In this day, 16. So here also 2 cartons are needed because for 9 bulbs 1 and the extra 7 bulbs also we need 1 basket. Here also we need 1 basket. Even it is less than 9, that day we have to give 1 carton. And here 2 cartons, 1 carton 9 bulb plus 1 bulb extra. So 2 cartons were needed. Here also 2 cartons were needed. Here 1 carton, here 2 cartons exactly. So total number of cartons needed are 2 plus 1 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 cartons were needed altogether because if we dispose each day, we have to need an extra carton for extra 9 bulbs. For example, here 12 bulbs were sold on that day, Monday. So 1 carton, the maximum number of bulbs can keep in 1 carton, 9. So the remaining 3 bulbs also we have to use 1 carton. Like that, if we see, there are 12 cartons are needed altogether. But if we pack them all at once, the total number of cartons divided by 9. We can say total number of bulbs divided by 9. Like that, if we do like that, we need, this is 6 plus 2, 8, 8, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 28, 28 plus 8, 36. 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 86. Total number of bulbs sold in that week are 86. If each carton capacity is 9, we need 86 by 9 cartons. So 9 nines, 81. So 5 bulbs remains. Therefore 9 plus 1 carton for 5 bulbs. Therefore 10 cartons. 10 cartons are needed if you pack like this, all bulbs at a time. If we want to pack at different days, we need some extra cartons, 12 cartons.